Hello and welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim and I am a PhD scholar at University of Campania. So here you can see there is search bar and Canva, or we can search it doctor prescription pad. So there is some templates available over there that you can choose for yourself. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. This is already available template and make it more attractive for yourself. What I will do, first of all, I will upload the logo of Darman Medical Center here. I will match the color of background and the logo, so it will look like this now. And I will lower the transparency of the logo so that will not be that much visible on prescription pad. And second, what you can do, we will bring logo here and we will put it here at the corner at the top. So on the left side, what I will do, I will write the name of doctor. For example, the name of doctor is Steve Smith, and he is medical specialist working in the Darman Medical Center. And beside that, near the logo, what I can do, I can write the timing, duration of working hours that Steve Smith have in the Darman Medical Center. So I mentioned that. Beside that, just below the name of doctor, I can write the contact number and email of doctor. That will be for patient that they can contact this doctor. And beside that, I can write location of medical center. So what is quite important here, the name of medical center, which is the Darman Medical Center. So I will write that at the top of prescription pad. Let me bold all the text so it will look like this. Let me adjust the logo a little bit and the text. So at the bottom there is option of signature. By clicking here on share option, what you can do, you can save in PDF, JPG and PNG, etc. What you want, you can do it here. So thank you so much for your time. See you in next video, and if you think this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for your time. See you in next video.